Hello students, I welcome 10th standard students for this biology video. Students, in biology, we are learning the lesson Structural Organization of Animals. In this chapter, we have learned the external morphology of rabbit. Rabbit is a mammal. These are warm-blooded animals. They possess epidermal hair and mammary glands. We learned organs and organ systems in rabbit. We learnt respiratory system and digestive system in rabbit. Now we are going to see the circulatory system of rabbit. In mammals, the circulatory system is closed type. Closed type means the blood flows in a complete circuit around the body through the blood vessels. The blood flows from arteries to veins through small blood vessels called capillaries. So, in the closed type of circulatory system, blood vessels, capillaries and heart is involved. We already learned the circulatory system in leech. In leech, open type of circulatory system. In the open type of circulation, the blood is pumped by heart into blood vessels. These blood vessels opens into the body cavities called hemocoel. So hemocoelic channels are the like a blood vessels. In rabbit, the circulatory system is formed of blood, blood vessels and heart. The heart is pear shaped. This is the pumping organ. It is located in the thoracic cavity in between the lungs. The heart is enclosed by the double-walled membrane called pericardium. The mammalian heart is four-chambered with two auricles and two ventricles. The right auricle and left auricles are separated by interauricular septum. Similarly, right ventricle and left ventricles are separated by interventricular septum. The right auricle opens into the right ventricle by right auriculoventricular aperture. Like that, the left auricle opens into the left ventricle by left ventricular aperture. Now let us see how the blood circulation takes place through the blood vessels. The right auricle receives deoxygenated blood through precaval vein and postcaval vein. So the blood from the body parts enters into the right auricle. From the right auricle, blood flows into right ventricle. Then from the right ventricle, this deoxygenated blood carried by the pulmonary artery into the lungs. From the lungs, exchange of gases takes place. Then oxygenated blood from the lungs transported through the pulmonary vein into the left auricle. Then from the left auricle, blood flows into left ventricle. Then from the left ventricle, the oxygenated blood carried by the aorta. Through the aorta, the oxygenated blood transported into the body parts. So, the right auricle receives deoxygenated blood through the two precaval and one postcaval veins from all parts of the body. The left auricle receives oxygenated blood from the pulmonary veins from the lungs. From the right ventricle arises pulmonary artery, which carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. And from the left ventricle arises the systemic arc, that is aorta, which supplies oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. Blood vessels and heart chambers are guarded by four types of valves. The base of the pulmonary artery and aorta are protected by semilunar valve and aortic valve. The right side of the chambers protected by tricuspid valve. Then left side chambers are protected by bicuspid valve. Next, we are going to learn about the nervous system in rabbit. The nervous system of rabbit is formed of central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomic nervous system. CNS, central nervous system. It includes brain and spinal cord. Then PNS, peripheral nervous system. This peripheral nervous system is formed of 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 37 pairs of spinal nerves. Then ANS, autonomic nervous system. This autonomic nervous system comprises of sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. Brain of a rabbit. Brain is situated in the cranial cavity. The brain is protected by the skull. The brain is covered by three membranes called outer dura mater and inner pia mater and a middle arachnoid membrane. So there are three coverings called meninges covered the brain: inner pia mater, outer dura mater and a middle arachnoid membrane. The brain is divided into three parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain is otherwise known as prosencephalon. Midbrain is known as mesencephalon and hindbrain known as rhombencephalon. Forebrain consists of a pair of olfactory lobes, cerebral hemispheres and diencephalon. So in the forebrain there are three regions. They are olfactory lobes, cerebral hemispheres and diencephalon. The right and left cerebral hemispheres are connected by transverse band. It is called corpus callosum. The midbrain includes the optic lobes. Then the hindbrain consists of the cerebellum, pons and medulla oblongata. So we will study about the rabbit's brain, the mammalian brain, in the chapter on nervous system later. Next, we are going to see about the urinogenital system. Urinogenital means excretory system and reproductive system combined together. So urinogenital system comprises the urinary or excretory system and the reproductive system. Therefore, they are usually described as urinogenital system in vertebrates. Kidney is made of nephrons. Nephrons are the functional units in the kidneys. So these nephrons separate the nitrogenous waste from the blood and excrete it in the form of urea. So kidneys are dark red bean-shaped organs. These kidneys are situated in the abdominal cavity. From each kidney, ureters or arises. This ureters opens posteriorly into the urinary bladder. Then urinary bladder leads into a thick-walled muscular duct called urethra. Next, we are going to learn about reproductive system of rabbit. In rabbit, sexual dimorphism is exhibited. That means male and female sexes are separate in the reproductive system of rabbit. Male reproductive system of rabbit. The male reproductive system of rabbit consists of a pair of testes. These testes are ovoid in shape. Testes are enclosed by scrotal sac in the abdominal cavity. Each testis consists of numerous tubules called seminiferous tubules. The network of seminiferous tubules lead into a coiled tubule called epididymis. This epididymis lead into the sperm duct called vas deferens. The vas deferens join in the urethra just below the urinary bladder. The urethra runs backward and passes into the penis. There are 3 accessory glands are present in the male reproductive system. These reproductive glands and their secretions are involved in the reproduction. There are 3 accessory glands, namely prostate gland, Cowper's gland and perineal gland, and their secretions are involved in the reproduction. The female reproductive system of rabbit consists of a pair of ovaries. These ovaries are small ovoid structures. These ovaries are located behind the kidneys in the abdominal cavity. A pair of oviducts open into the body cavity by a funnel-shaped opening from each side of the ovary. So the anterior part of the oviduct is the fallopian tube. This fallopian tube leads into a wider tube called the uterus. The uterus join together to form a median tube called vagina. The common tube is formed by the union of urinary bladder, and the vagina is called the urinogenital canal or vestibule. It runs backwards and opens to the exterior by an aperture called vulva. A pair of Cowper's gland and perineal gland are the accessory glands present in the female reproductive system. So dear children, I hope you all understood both the external morphology and organs and organ system in rabbit. In the external morphology, we learned skin, hairs, claws and nails are present. Then head, the body is divided into head, trunk and tail. Then they have a external ear. Then they have a glands, sweat glands, sebaceous and mammary glands. Then organ and organ system we learned. The digestive system includes buccal cavity, stomach, intestine, liver and pancreas. Then respiration takes place through the lungs. So pulmonary lungs are involved in the respiration. Then circulation takes place through the heart and blood vessels. Then brain, central nervous system included brain and spinal cord. The brain has a 3 divisions: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Then excretion means removal of nitrogenous waste by the metanephric kidneys. Then reproduction, sexual dimorphism, male and female sexes are separate. Then the testes in male and ovaries in female are the reproductive organs in rabbit. Thank you, students.